Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Ashley.
And I'm Gordon.
And as you can see, we are currently in the car wash. No, I am not going to just open the window and prank Gordon.
That would be funny.
But on today's vlog, we're going to be cleaning his car by ourselves. And I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Alright.
Anything you want to add about... We're almost done the wash, so we have to cut this intro short. But please watch the full video, like the video, subscribe, comment down below what your favorite part of the video was. I mean, other than the wash, like this is pretty cool. I like a good light show. Alright, anyways, I gotta go. I'm almost done the wash, so
We'll see you soon.
we'll see you soon. So we just finished the car wash. I already vacuumed my side of the car. Gordon's vacuuming his. And then we're gonna go to a hardware store and rent out a carpet cleaner with an upholstery head. And that's how we're gonna clean these seats. You see this? Yeah. It's kind of gross.
Okay, everyone, this is Ashley dutifully scrubbing the mats with scrubbing bubbles.
Well, we pre-sprayed it with scrubbing bubbles. This bucket is boiled water with some cold from the hose and Fabuloso floor cleaner. I'm a really big fan of the Fabuloso floor cleaner. I think it smells fantastic and it leaves stuff nice and shiny.
Alright, and we will get back to you when we're on to the next stage.
Yep.
Alright, we'll see you soon.
Alrighty, so the next stage is we are wiping down the car with some Lysol wipes and we're just dusting. Look at that. Gross. Wipe everything down. This isn't really like a how to clean your car thing. This is just us
How we clean.
doing our thing. And we're doing this like self-detailing thing kind of like on our own for the first time. So like we've never like detailed our own car before. So yeah.
As you can tell by the amount of dirt we're getting off.
Yeah. Well, like we've wiped it, like we've cleaned it like with like Lysol wipes and stuff on the dashboard. But like we haven't cleaned the seats by ourselves. And it hasn't been professionally done like in a while. So yeah. Gordon, want to get the passenger side?
Yeah.
Just like to show like the difference between the dust. Look at that. Yuck. We've done this part like on our own, but yeah, like not the seats. We haven't done the seats on our own. Anyways, we'll see you when we're ready to clean the seats and the carpets. Look at that salt. Alrighty. Ta-ta for now. Bye, Gordon.
Bye-bye. And now we're on the upholstery in my car.
We're spraying the...
We're putting anti-stain stuff on the ceiling, so maybe we can get the stains out of the roof. And that's how things are going so far. Yeah, so our car's actually looking pretty good right now.
Okay,
I'm not sure if you can see how clean the plastic is. It's nice and shiny now. Instead of all dusty and grody. But as you can see, the seats still need a ton of work.
Yeah.
Okay, and we will get back to you when we start working on it. Ashley, you want to say bye? Okay, so this is the soap we're using. We got it from Rona, though we're pretty sure that you can also get it at Lowe's, because that's the upper tank. This is the lower tank, and that's the whole machine right there. If we can see it in camera. There we go. You can rent these from Rona or Lowe's just by customer service. And that's one cap full of the solution already in there, and this is me adding the second cap. And getting a little bit all over the place because the cap's not exactly designed nicely. But anyway, that's all there is, and we are going to add 2 kettles of boiled water into it, and we're going to see how that cleans the roof. And we'll get back to you as soon as that starts.
Hey Gordon, what you doing?
Hey, I'm just about to add the second kettle to this thing. Preferably without spilling it all over the place.
Oh yeah, and if you like can't rent this, you can buy this machine on Amazon. It's over like $600 Canadian, but you can buy it. It works really well. We cleaned our carpets in our apartment like with this same one. It worked excellently. So yeah, you just fill that with the hot water. Gordon's gonna seal it. This collector goes on top. Yeah.
So, I have established the machine is powered.
We got power.
So, how I think this goes is, start here, in, all the way, and twist. Locked in. This goes here, also locked in. There we go.
Oh, did you bring a hat?
It's in the house.
Do you want to go grab it?
Yeah. All right. Let's see how this is going to work.
Oops.
It's okay. Get in close. Open the door. Okay, we're going loud.
Yep. I'll like stand back here. We'll just show a little bit of how like this works.
Not gonna work on the ceiling. And this is Ashley having far too much fun vacuuming up water in my car. Yeah, this little machine looks simple, looks tedious, but when you're actually using it, is a lot of fun. Anyway, we'll get back to you soon.
All right, so this is the interior of Gord's car. It looks nice and clean. I am a fan of this. Let's see what the water turned out to. All right, big reveal. 3, 2, 1. Yo, that's disgusting.
Oh, man.
That was all in your car, baby.
Mm-hmm.
Grody. That's just lovely.
It's like mud water. And this is going to be Ashley with care, great gumption, and determination attempting to do the roof of the car. Because she had way too much fun. Ah.
Sorry.
Alrighty. And we will show you what's going on with the roof in a minute. Alrighty. This is loud.
Gordon, what do you think we got off your roof?
Ton of shit.
Let's see. Just from the car roof.
Just the roof.
How
understand. We don't even walk on it. Okay.
Yep.
All right, everyone. Hope you had fun. And we'll just show you the end result right now.
So like that's the back seat. The mats are clean. I don't know if you can see very well. But yeah, it's really clean. I believe we did an excellent job cleaning the car.
It smells
Oh, look at the roof. Can you see it? Yeah. It's like so much cleaner than it was before. I don't know if you can tell. But like
Yeah,
it was really
that was great.
stained. So
Yeah, so that worked really well, and it smells fantastic in here.
yeah.
So
The best little detergent smells amazing.
yeah, it has Febreze in it apparently.
Yeah.
So yeah, that was great.
Anyways.
So anyway, we had fun. Hope you did too.
Yeah.
And
We'll see you in the next one. Please
go.
like the video, subscribe, comment down below what you liked about the video. Maybe any tips for us like in the future, like if we're ever detailing it ourselves, what could we have done better?
even if you wanted to see more, let us know.
Oh yeah, if you want to see more, for sure.
All right. So, see you.